Hello guys, welcome back with me Cho 2025. Today we're going to talk to Flux variant model that's supposedly faster and use less VRAM. All the model link is in video description. First we're going to talk about Flux SCNL. Flux Schnell can generate high quality images in only 1 to 4 steps. Released under the Apache 2.0 license, the model can be used for personal, scientific, and commercial purposes. Flux CNL model should be put in ComfyUI/models/ on it, like the Flux Dev. To use it, we could use the same workflow where we use Flux Dev, but we could reduce the step into just 4 steps. Make sure you also change the scheduler into simple. Here a comparison between Flux Dev vs Flux Schnell result and time it need to process, with of course Flux SCNL only using 4 steps, while the Flux Dev using 20 steps. Next, we're going to talk about Flux Dev FP8. FP8 using Float 16 reduces the memory required to store and process the model's weights. This can lead to significant performance gains, especially on devices with limited memory. But it comes with a trade-offs. While FP8 offers benefits in speed and resource usage, there might be a slight decrease in image quality compared to models using full precision. This model will work better for ComfyUI users with less VRAM, so that is under 24 gigs. 2 text encoders used by Flux are already included in this one safe tensor. Use it with the load checkpoint node in ComfyUI. To use this model, download the model first. Unlike the full precision, you need to download the model to your checkpoint location like any other stable diffusion model. The next thing to do is to download the workflow. It is an image, but simply drag and drop the image into your ComfyUI GUI. In Flux Dev FP8, we use load checkpoint. The text encoder also already include, and so is the VAE. In this part, is no need to do negative prompt because Flux not supported it. We also use K-sampler. Make sure to set the CFG to 1, since we don't do any negative prompt. Also use Euler with simpler scheduler. Since this is the dev mode, we're going to use 20 step. We're going to compare the result between dev and dev FP8. Last is the Flux Schnell FP8. It is like Flux CNL but with FP8. So this is supposedly the most lowest at memory cost and faster than the dev version. How to use it is the same with Flux Dev FP8. We simply reduce the step into 4. We're going to compare the result between dev and Schnell FP8. Okay guys, here are the table of how long each image is created. I try to capture memory usage. For some reason everything is looked the same to me. Anyway, as for me, Flux Dev FP8 look pretty good. I hardly sense any big difference. And in my testing, some of the picture actually look better than the dev. While Schnell FP8 I guess is really fast. As for you, you could use whatever you like. But if you have low VRAM like me, that is less than 24 gigs of VRAM, I suggest for you to use the FP8 models. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode and have a nice day. Please subscribe.